Example 2 says we should evaluate square root of 9.679 times 10 raised to the power of 7 divided by 2.83 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. So all we are going to do is, I'm first of all going to solve what we have under the square root sign before we look for the square root of our answers. So expressing this is equal to square root of, I'm going to express this as a whole number. That gives me 9,679 times 10 raised to the power of, since I have moved the decimal point 3 times to the left, I'm going to subtract 3 times to my right. I'm going to subtract 3 from 7, and that gives me 4, all divided by 283 times 10 raised to the power of, since I have moved the decimal point 2 times to my right, I'm going to subtract 2 from minus 3. That gives me minus 5. This is equal to square root of, you now look for a factor that can divide both the numerator and denominator. 2 cannot divide. Can 3 divide? 3 cannot divide. So I'm going to use my calculator by saying 9,679 divided by 283. That gives me 34. This is equal to 34.20 times 10 raised to the power of, this is 4 minus 5. That means 4 plus 5, and that gives me 9. This is equal to, you then look for the square root of 34.2. So the square root of 34.2 is said to be 5.85 approximately, times 10 raised to the power of, square root of 10 raised to the power of 9 is said to be 3. So this is 5.85 times 10 raised to the power of 3. So all you need to do is to first and foremost simplify the fraction that you have before you look for the square root. Don't forget to like and share my videos so that others can also benefit from our daily classes.